and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can use Pokémon GO Plus Sleep. So remember that to stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important information that I am going to tell you. So let's get on it. So in here, I am going to teach you how to track your sleep. So first, to be able to claim your sleep rewards, you must use Pokémon GO Plus device to track your sleep. So you can follow these steps to track your sleep. So before you go to sleep, start a sleep session by holding down the main button on the Pokémon GO Plus until the indicator light flashes blue and you will hear a lullaby play. Note that the Pokémon GO Plus must be aired with Pokémon Go but not actively connected for play with Pokémon Go to initiate a sleep session. And then when you wake up and your sleep session by simply holding the main button and on the Pokémon GO Plus until the indicator light flashes multicolored lights. And if the indicator light flashes red, this indicates that your sleep log was not recorded successfully or that your sleep session was shorter than 90 minutes. So log in into your Pokémon Go and reconnect your Pokémon GO Plus to transfer your sleep data and collect rewards. So please note that you will not be able to collect rewards in Pokémon Go unless you are sharing sleep data with Pokémon Go. So toggle this option on the Pokémon Go Plus settings page. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.